you become a big fat star, you ain't ever gonna forget your buddies always stuck by you now, are you?
Of course not.
But don't kid yourself, son. This is gonna mean an awful lot of hard work. I hope you're up to it.
Yeah. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Why don't they love me? 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 Why don't you like me? Why don't you put it?